Okay, let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I know I've been gone for more than like 7-8 months. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं. अपडेट मेरे मेन चैनल पे है. उधर भी काफ़ी अर्सा हो गया मैंने पोस्ट नहीं किया है. But today I am here to share all the new books I bought while I was gone. I have read some. I have yet to read some and I have started some and then left them. If it makes sense. खैर कुछ काफ़ी बड़ी बुक्स हैं, कुछ इतनी बड़ी नहीं है कुछ बिजनेस रिलेटेड हैं और कुछ फिक्शन है. कुछ क्या सारी फिक्शन है, बस 2 बिजनेस रिलेटेड हैं. लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी बुक्स आई हैव बॉट, लाइक आई डोंट हैव अ काउंट, बट इफ यू हैव सम टाइम एंड यू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड, मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना मैंने कितनी बुक्स खरीदी. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट बुक दैट आई गॉट. दिस वाज अ पीआर. दिस इज कॉल्ड फनी यू शुड आस्क बाय
Alyssa Sussman.
Sussman. I'm not sure. I'm also not sure about what this is about since I didn't buy it myself. अच्छा, ये then and now है. I do like books जिसके अंदर past होता है और फिर हम present में shift करते हैं like every chapter. It's fun to read. It's more engaging. I personally feel like that. इसका blurb is so freaking long. Okay, so by reading like 5 lines मुझे लग रहा है कि this is a romance that is between the author and also a celebrity that she really likes, and she ends up writing a book for him. So I personally don't think I will ever read this low-key. जबकि मुझे then and now पसंद है, मुझे romance भी पसंद है, but I've heard like stuff about it that it's not that great. I don't know. Let's see if I read it or not. उसके बाद I got 2 of the books that Anna Huang released in 2023. इसमें से मैंने first part लिया और third part लिया है. Second part था नहीं जब Liberty Books पे जब मैं गई थी लेने के लिए, तो I was like, oh, whenever it comes I'll probably buy it. Am I the only one who does this के पहली book पढ़े बगैर ही पूरी series खरीद लेती हूँ मैं. So the first book in the series is King of Wrath. This is about high class society. I've heard it being compared to Magnolia Parks. If you've read it, I read it last year and I didn't really enjoy it that much. I give it 3 stars. But it was also about high society and like romance, of course. But this is the third book in the series, which is King of Greed. And King of Greed mein it's about like this perfect wife, the trophy wife, and suddenly she realizes that she is not in love anymore with her husband. अब मुझे लगता है I'm probably more excited for the third book than King of Wrath. I don't know why, but it just sounds more interesting. Okay, the next book I got was Girl in Pieces by Kathleen Glasgow. I have no idea about this book. Let's be real. Honestly, मैं Dolmen Mall में थी with friends and I was like, I should stop by Liberty. मैं Liberty Books के अंदर गई हूँ and this was the first book I saw and I was like, I need it. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है, तो मैंने खरीद ली without reading what it actually says on the back. Okay, this book is about a girl who's in pieces. I've heard really great stuff about it. जब मैंने इसका cover देखा था, it felt like a thriller, but I don't think this is a thriller at all. Blurb में ऐसी mystery कुछ भी नहीं लिखी हुई. It just says that Charlotte Davis is in pieces. At 17, she's already lost more than most people do in a lifetime, but she's learned how to forget. The broken glass washes away the sorrows until there is nothing but calm. You don't have to think about your father and the river, your best friend who is gone forever, or your mother who has nothing left to give you. So it's probably about just a girl who's lost one of the closest or most of the closest people in her life and probably how she copes up with it. I think so. Okay, Betting on You by Lynn Painter. This is probably my most recent purchase. I've loved all the books Lynn Painter has written. I don't know why. My top 3 favorite book of all time may say Better Than the Movies, which was also written by Lynn Painter. So Betting on You is a fake dating trope and I do enjoy fake dating tropes. In the Dreamland Billionaire series there was a fake dating trope और मैंने बहुत enjoy किया था उस पूरी series को. So I think I would enjoy this as well. I've always enjoyed reading Lynn Painter because it's so easy to read, because she's writing for a younger audience. Her genre is YA. I can literally fly by this in like 2 days. I've read another book by her which is called The Do-Over. It was also really nice. It wasn't as good as Better Than the Movies, but The Do-Over mein it's like she gets so many chances to do over her Valentine's Day to make it the perfect Valentine's Day. Iska synopsis is basically both the characters bet on love and yeah, they fake date. I'm not sure when I'm going to pick this up though, so let's see when I do. Next I got 2 of Riley Sager's book. Riley Sager is one of the most like decorated or one of the most known thriller writers. One of the books that he wrote, The House Across the Lake, went TikTok viral, I feel like in 2021 or around that time. And this is a thriller that I was thinking of reading for the longest time. And I was unable to get a copy of it, but now I do, and I started reading it, but मैंने एक और book शुरू कर दी because I wanted to read that more, so I haven't DNF'd it because at the end of the day, thrillers and mysteries are one of my favorite genre. Basically, it is about a woman who stalks the house across the lake. Her and her husband were exactly like how the house across the lake wala couple is. So she stalks them, and it's by like the first 20-30 pages I was enjoying this, but I ended up reading some other book. I will pick this up next for sure after I get done with that series. The next Riley Sager book that I got was Lock Every Door. I've also heard a lot of good stuff about this. I'm not sure what this is about. I just got it because it was Riley Sager, and because I've heard so many good stuff about House Across the Lake, and Riley Sager की books कहीं पे भी नहीं होती. I was like, if I have seen this, I should just get it. Because मुझे नहीं पता मैं बाद में कब लूँगी और कभी होगी भी पाकिस्तान में कि नहीं. So I just ended up getting this, and I have zero idea what this is about, but it is a mystery, and I just got it because I wanted to, guys. Okay, so the next book is Addicted to You by Krista and Becca Ritchie. This is a book that I started as well, but then I picked up हाउस अक्रॉस द लेक क्योंकि मुझे वो पढ़नी थी. मेरा अजीब सा सीन चल रहा था उस वक्त. आई वॉज जस्ट जंपिंग अराउंड बुक्स. बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड हाउस अक्रॉस द लेक आई वॉज रीडिंग दिस, एंड आई स्टॉप्ड बिकॉज आई गॉट सुपर बिजी, एंड देन आई completely forgot that I was reading this book. That is why I picked up House Across the Lake, because मैं इतनी excited थी कि House Across the Lake मुझे मिल गई है. Anyway, so this story is about the girl being addicted to the S word, and the guy is addicted to alcohol. They've been best friends since childhood, and they're fake dating, and they also help each other get over their addictions. I'm on chapter 7, somewhere around page 100, and I was enjoying this. I will get back to it, I promise. I will read this, but I just started House Across the Lake and then I stopped reading that as well. So जो दो books हैं वो मुझे पढ़नी है for sure after I finish like the series I'm in currently. Another thriller that I got was The Night She Disappeared. This was also a PR, so I'm not sure what this book is about because I didn't get it myself. This book is about walking in the woods behind the boarding school where her boyfriend has just started as a head teacher. Sophie sees a sign nailed to a fence. I'm very confused by this. I have no idea what this is about. I don't know what this is about. I don't know how to explain this, but I also got The Night She Disappeared in a PR. I read The Fourth Wing last year, and I also shared it in a reading vlog. You can watch it on my channel. But then Iron Flame came in. I started reading it and I did not like it that much. But then I just couldn't get into it. I just wanted to know how she starts the book because the end was so crazy in The Fourth Wing. Like मेरा दिमाग फट गया था Fourth Wing के end पे, that I was like, I just need to know how she writes the start of the Iron Flame. लेकिन I was so confused कि मैंने बोला It's also the fact that I've never been a fantasy reader. Like मैंने Cruel Prince पढ़ना शुरू की थी. I finished it. I absolutely hated it. जब मैंने पढ़ के ख़त्म की थी ना, I didn't understand it, but I said good reviews about it because I wanted to fit in, because I thought that people would think that I'm stupid, that I couldn't understand fantasy. But I couldn't understand fantasy until I read The Fourth Wing. Fourth Wing was actually really good. Probably it was really good for me because it was just easier. It was high stakes. It was insane. मतलब दिमाग मेरा हर moment में फटा जा रहा था कि ये क्या हो रहा है. But Iron Flame का I feel like personally the start was super slow, which is the reason I just couldn't get into it. But inshallah I feel like I'll probably pick this up when I am in the mood of fantasy कि अच्छा चलो fantasy पढ़ते हैं, high stakes पढ़ते हैं और बस insane हो जाते हैं. I started it, did not really go through it. Now let's come to the books that I've bought and read and finished. I got Sometimes I Lie by Alice Feeney. मैंने Rock Paper Scissors पढ़ी थी Alice Feeney की, and I absolutely ate it up. मतलब एक दिन में मैंने ख़त्म कर दी थी. It was an insane story. अगर आपने Colleen Hoover की Verity पढ़ी है, this is like the same book, but Verity is better because this book came out first. I feel like Verity की story is highly inspired by Sometimes I Lie. Like extremely inspired. I enjoyed Verity more because of course उसमें तो crazy twists हैं. इसके अंदर भी अच्छे खासे ट्विस्ट हैं. Verity was definitely inspired by this. I know Colleen Hoover को बहुत hate मिलता है, but उसको romance पे hate मिलता है. उसकी thriller is actually really good, in my humble opinion. Please don't give me hate, guys. I enjoyed Verity. Okay, then I got The Book Thief. The Book Thief is about World War II. I've also read and finished this book. I absolutely love it. I feel like once in a lifetime हर इंसान को ये किताब पढ़नी चाहिए because it really shows that time. It just explains the pain and the emotions behind that world war. The book itself is narrated by death. सोचो एक आप किताब पढ़ो और वो मौत ने narrate की हुई हो. It's the most saddest story I've ever read. I've cried so much in this book, but I absolutely loved reading this. I do highly recommend this actually. उसके बाद I read You've Reached Sam and I gave it 3 stars. Personally, it felt really childish to me. I know it's fiction, but आप मुझे fiction पढ़ते हुए feel हो रहा था कि ये कितना fiction है. You know, when you just don't relate to stuff. So basically, there's a girlfriend, there's a boyfriend, the boyfriend okay, the girlfriend finds a phone that is his phone and she tries to call him back and he picks it up, but he's dead. But he still picks it up. That's all I'm gonna say about You've Reached Sam. After reading A Thousand Splendid Suns, I decided I should, of course, buy The Kite Runner. और मैं A Thousand Splendid Sun में हर पेज को पलट के रो रही थी. इसमें मैं हर लाइन को पढ़ के रो रही थी. You don't understand what this book means to me. When I talk about The Kite Runner, मेरे पास लफ्ज़ ही नहीं होते उसको describe करने के लिए because it's just an emotion that is insanely hard to describe. This book is of course on friendship and how two friends can love each other and grow apart and then still find love that they always had. It's an insane book that I just don't have words to describe. I got some business books. These are pretty boring, तो मैं इनके बारे में ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं करूँगी. I got these like DK editions, Essential Managers, but एक negotiating के ऊपर है, एक leadership के ऊपर है. And I recently just started a business and I really need to learn how to negotiate. I finished reading this. It's actually really helpful. If you cannot negotiate and you get embarrassed by negotiating. So I've always gotten second-hand embarrassment while seeing my mom negotiate, but you know, negotiating is important. And then I got this book on leadership क्योंकि leadership तो important होती है business. You should know how to lead your employees. It's the most basic thing that you should know. Anyways, let's come to the last series that I bought and I'm super excited to share this. I bought the Hunger Games series. I know, मुझे पता है यार. This will look very absurd कि मैंने The Hunger Games की series नहीं पढ़ी है, but मैंने नहीं पढ़ी थी. And I finished The Hunger Games. I'm in between Catching Fire. I haven't started Mockingjay, but I will post a reading vlog on this series soon, inshallah, because I'm in the middle of it, so I'm still filming it. But keep an eye out on my channel, subscribe, push the bell notifications अगर आपको देखना है कि मेरे Hunger Game के reactions क्या थे, because so far it's been a journey, it's been insane. That's all I'm going to say. But The House Across the Lake को मैंने पढ़ना इसलिए छोड़ा था क्योंकि मुझे Hunger Games पढ़नी थी. I've been thoroughly enjoying it. I'm not going to talk much about this. वो आप reading vlog में देखना. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this haul of books that I got recently. I will see you guys in the next vlog. I'm sorry I was gone for too long, but I'm back now. And I hope मैं content डालती रहूँ. Okay, see you guys later. Bye bye.